we were discussing about environmental and human health. Um, there was they were both the thing were very much intricately related. Okay, that means they are if there are changes in the environment, it will affect our health directly or indirectly. Be it a pandemic like coronavirus that which is very much detrimental to the mankind, and it is getting the number of cases are increasing day by day, and the situation is very serious, and people are assuming it as World War III almost. Okay, so you can understand how the 30 kb RNA, where basically the nuclear genome size of the virus is almost 30 kb, and it is a RNA virus. You must be knowing this 30 kb RNA virus is moving the whole world. Actually, all the things got disrupted, all our day-to-day life, everything got stuck in between the problems. Okay, so, and then another thing, like different calamities, they are also affecting our human health in huge way. Currently there is a tsunami in Japan. You must be seeing in the news that it is a devastating effect on the livelihood of the Japanese people. So you can say that we are very intricately related to our environment for our health as well as our well-being. Okay, now a good environment is an indication of healthy human beings and developed nation. Then developed nation. Now polluted atmosphere has become a serious threat to very existence of human species. This is also a known thing to you that day by day the pollution has increased, and which has always threatened our existence. Okay, now pollution growth and intensification of man's activities on various fronts have created a hazardous environment. That means what we are doing is affecting our life in a direct way. Okay, so the activities of man have largely been stopped by coronavirus, and you can see there are many changes in the environment. You may see in seen in the news that there are flocking of many flamingos or migratory birds in Zoo Beach, the Marine Drive, in many places where naturally they, in normal cases, they were not visiting. Now due to less human interference, these birds and animals are freely moving, and they are actually, nature is mainly healing while you are through this phase, because there are less pollution, there are less burning of fossil fuels, there are less amount of usage of natural resources. So the environment is responding in a huge way. I am telling all this example because you can relate it into your present condition. Okay, now in the next slide, the environment is under constant interference by human bound activities. We all know that we are constantly using the natural resources for our interest, and thereby rendering huge damage to the society. Okay, society as well as the environment. The effect of our environment on human health are generally accounted in the following terms. That means the extent to which environmental condition leading to shortening of life. That means our age is getting reduced due to the environmental conditions. That means environment is impacting on our health. The extent to which environment induced disability or impairment is found, and the biological potential of an individual is reduced. That means environment is affecting our lives in a intricate way. That means it is reducing the overall age, average age of a human. It is also decreasing the potential of an individual. That means how they are working, everything is getting, how they're, I mean, how much they're capable of doing work, everything is getting under uh, a it is reduced by basically. Okay, now environmental factors which are influencing our life is, the various environmental factors which affect human health are overpollution, mm, pollution, overpopulation, pollution, urbanization, degradation of natural resources. These things are all known to you, that how population is affecting our life. I've already discussed how when there are increasing population, how things are getting more utilized, how natural resources are getting more utilized, and how they are being hampering our life. Then pollution is also known to us. The different type of pollution present in the environment is causing a huge change in our life. Urbanization, that means building of industries and towns in the cities, lead to a huge pressure on our mother earth, and all these things are very much affecting our environment as well as human health. Degradation of natural resources, when there is overpopulation, people will obviously utilize the degradation of natural resources. Okay, this will lead to overuse of the natural resource, and again there it will impact on the environment as well as our health, human health. Okay,